Oracle Challenger. Sean is in the sky this morning, thanks to the help of our air boss. For him, what he considers to be a nice, easy, early morning rehearsal flight. If the folks here had been idle to allow Sean to practice, correction, sorry about that, Danny, this rehearsal window, he would have still climbed into the aircraft, taken off, flown to an area 15 miles away where he would have flown for 20 to 25 minutes. Sean feels that that's what he needs to do in order to present the best show possible when he's back in the sky this afternoon at 1:30. Sean flies a very aggressive style of aerobatics. Throughout the course of one performance, Sean will experience in excess of 7.5 negative G's and over 10.5 positive G's. Sean practices each and every day during our air show season, from the middle of April until the middle of November, approximately 3 times a day, each and every day. And you can see here, even on the day of the show, Sean will go up and ring it out just to make himself work a little bit harder during his primetime performance. This aircraft that you see Sean flying is all new for 2007. On April 4th of 2006, while conducting a training flight in Coshada, Louisiana, Sean suffered a complete elevator control failure, which made it impossible to safely land the aircraft. His only option was using power and the trim system of the aircraft. He was able to climb up to an altitude of approximately 6,000 feet before he ran out of fuel. At that time, he shut the engine off, ejected the canopy, undid his seatbelts, and dove over the side to safety using his emergency parachute, which he does not leave home without. We then went home to Salinas, where we got our backup aircraft out of mothballs, did a quick job on that, finished the 2006 air show season, and then over last winter we built this aircraft. It weighs in at barely 1,200 pounds and is powered by more than 400 horsepower, making it easily the high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today.
Stars here, both Vicki Bowman and Kathy Mosteller and their entire great crew from in and around this area, Fort Worth. With a hefty wind from the south, the traffic pattern is to fly to the north, get a vector on the final approach and fly into the wind. That's the way the airliners do it. And wind permitting, that's the way the U.S. Army Golden Knights are going to do it.
And it's to get the idea.
Actually shot down.
If I would have known you were a pilot, so the next time you're in town, I hope you before that. But it's brand new.